Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. It's Christmas, so definitely time to make some cute little Christmas cards, and these are quite simple and I'm sure you will just love it. So to make them I did use Etchr postcards, and these are 100% cotton, cold pressed watercolor paper, 230 grams, so that's about 110 pounds. And in size, they are 8 by 12 centimeters or 4 by 6 inches. And I will glue them on top of the folded cardboard for cards. I also did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper just to cut out my shapes. For the watercolors, I used Sennelier, and for the colors primary red, some sap green, yellow ochre, raw umber, and burnt umber. Also, I used this set from Van Gogh metallic watercolors, and I did use bronze. I also did use this ink pen, Micron Pigma 05 ink pen, to do the inking and also write in the text. For the brushes today, I used this Raphael number 0 quill brush, number 10 round brush, and Panart number 2 detail brush. For gluing my shapes onto the cards, I used this two-sided tape. This is foam tape and it's also 3D, so my shapes are just standing out a little bit from the cards. But if you don't have those, you can just use any cardboard, put glue on both sides and glue it on top of your shape and on top of your postcard, so just to make them a little bit 3D. And that's basically all the supplies we will be needing, and without further ado, let's get to our cards. First, I will just draw my shapes. Use this ruler to draw into circles for my little bulbs. And first one I will be painting in primary red. And I don't have to be careful about the edges because I'm going to cut them anyway. Just dropping a little bit more of the paint. And the second one I'm going to paint with yellow ochre and a little bit of the raw umber. I'm going to dry them and then move on to my second shape. That's going to be Christmas tree. I do want to make it a little bit wonky. And that one I'm going to paint in sap green. Again, I don't have to mind the edges. I'm going to cut that shape. And also a little bit more drop in. And then I will add some burnt umber on top. I will dry that also, put it on the side while I make my backgrounds. So for the first one, I will just drop in a little bit of the yellow ochre and then move that paint with my brush, drop in a little bit more of the splatters with yellow ochre and then primary red, dry that, put it on the side. For the second one, I'm going to use raw umber. And then just add some splatters with sap green, a little bit more of the raw umber. And I'm going to dry that also, put it on the side. And I'm going to cut my shapes. And now that they're dry, I will just add in a little bit more of the details with bronze, with this metallic color. And then some few splatters on top. Also, I'm going to do the edges on the Christmas tree with that same bronze. Some splatters. And also a little bit more of the embellishments on both bulbs. And also on the Christmas tree. And leave it to dry. And now that it's dry, I did put some foam tape on the back of those shapes and just glue them on top of my cards. And with ink pen, I'm gonna do my finishing embellishments adding some strings and little bows and some little bit more of the details to those shapes. Writing the text Merry Christmas for the first card. And I do like to paint in the edges just to add a little bit more of the detail when I glue them on top of the cards. I do like to have that edge on my watercolor paper. So for the second one, again, a little bit more of the embellishment, some dots with the ink pen. And I'm also gonna write in It's Christmas. And also do the edges with bronze. When that is all dry, I'm just going to splatter a little bit of the sap green on top of the first card and a little bit of the primary red on top of the other and glue them onto that pre-made cardboard for cards. And with that, we are done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it and got maybe a little bit inspired to do some cards. This actually you can find in full-length real-time tutorial on my Patreon. If you want to check it out, I will put the link in the description box. We will be making more cards there, so you can always just join in if you like. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here and many Christmas cards also, so I'm sure you will find something for yourself. And thank you so much again, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!